Welcome to our channel, where we explore fascinating religions from around the world. Today, we delve into the mystical world of Shintoism, the indigenous religion of Japan. Shintoism, meaning the way of the gods, is deeply ingrained in Japanese culture, dating back thousands of years. It is a unique blend of mythology, animism, and ancestor worship, offering a profound connection to nature and the spiritual realm. Central to Shintoism are kami, the divine spirits or gods believed to exist in all things: mountains, rivers, trees, and even ordinary objects. Shinto followers believe that harmonious coexistence with nature and respect for the spirits are essential for a balanced life. Shintoism emphasizes purity and cleanliness. We cleanse ourselves before entering the shrine to show respect to the kami. We also conduct rituals and offer prayers to seek blessings, protection, and guidance. Festivals, or matsuri, are an integral part of Shintoism. These joyous celebrations are held throughout the year to express gratitude to the kami, seek their favor, and celebrate the changing seasons. Each festival is a lively spectacle of colorful costumes, music, dance, and delicious food. For me, Shintoism is not just a religion but a way of life. It teaches us to appreciate the beauty of nature and to live in harmony with all living beings. It brings a sense of tranquility and gratitude, reminding us of the interconnectedness of all things. Shinto shrines, known as jinja, are scattered throughout Japan. They serve as spiritual sanctuaries and are often nestled in picturesque locations, surrounded by lush forests or perched on mountainsides. These tranquil spaces invite visitors to reflect, meditate, and seek spiritual solace. Shintoism has greatly influenced Japanese culture, art, and even governance. It instills a strong sense of community, respect, and appreciation for nature. It has shaped the Japanese way of life, fostering a deep connection between the people and their land. As we conclude our exploration of Shintoism, we are reminded of the enduring power of ancient traditions and the profound wisdom they hold. Join us next time as we continue our journey into the diverse tapestry of world religions. Thanks for watching.